of unsalted butter on low to medium heat. Then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of caster sugar and 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix it all together. Then we'll add 3 tablespoons of golden syrup into the pan. You'll need about half a pack of biscuits. I've used digestives. It's about 200 grams. Just break them up. They don't need to be too fine. I used around 6 dates and chopped them up quite fine. You can use raisins if you prefer. Add the chopped up biscuits and dates into the pan and give them a stir, coating everything. Pour the mix into the prepared tin and make sure just to tap it down a bit. In the microwave, I melted 110 grams of dark chocolate and 110 grams of milk chocolate together before pouring it over the mix in the tin. Then we pop it in the fridge for around 2 hours and then cut it into portions.